In this video series, we're going to be covering one of the 5 biggest mistakes Albuquerque businesses make in marketing so that you can not only avoid it, but leverage it to your advantage. So let's get started. I'm sure you'd agree that one of the #1 goals in your business is to drive traffic to your business and perhaps your website. In this video, we're going to address mistake number 1, believing your website is the most important marketing tool on the internet. Now that might come as a big shock since it's what most of your competitors are focusing on. In fact, the only marketing tool most businesses have on the internet is a website. But the truth is, your website really isn't that important. I'm going to reveal to you the single most important thing that can literally turn every marketing and advertising message you put out there into a 24-hour marketing tool. And in this video series, we'll be covering more so that you can beat out your competitors every time. Let's start with what your competitors are doing with their websites so that you can avoid some of the biggest mistakes being made. Most likely, your competitors are using Google or other pay-per-click ads, keyword optimization with things like keywords, long-tail keywords, tags, meta tags, key phrases, money words, and so on. And really, it's enough to make anyone want to pull their hair out. So why do your competitors struggle with keywords, long-tail keywords, meta tags, and key phrases? They do it for what's called search engine optimization, or SEO, which is technobabble for getting at the top of the search engine so that prospects can find you before your competitors. Now, all of these tools can help you, but here's a really big problem that's growing rapidly. Everyone is doing the same thing, which minimizes its effectiveness. And even if you do get a smidgen of your share of prospects, the big question is, what's happening when they arrive to your website? Most of your competitors in Albuquerque have no clue. So in a nutshell, all of the money spent on ways to try to drive traffic to their website and to build that website is going up in flames. They're spending money to drive traffic to a place where they have no clue whether or not it's working. But what's more is, most of it isn't working. And once again, it's because your website isn't the most important marketing tool. So what is the most important thing? The most important thing you can do starting right now is lead generation. Here's why. Consider how you make purchasing decisions. You make them on your time, not on the advertiser's time or on the business's time. And your prospects are just like you. In fact, when your prospects respond to an advertisement or marketing message, only a fraction of them are ready to buy right now. And most advertising and marketing message only capture a teeny tiny amount of the marketplace. So what this means is you lose most every prospect, and your marketing and advertising, once again, is going up in flames. So your goal here must be to capture leads, because eventually they will be ready to buy. Right now, before you do anything else, create a way to capture leads either on your website or on a lead generation page. A lead generation page can be placed on your website or it can stand alone. Now once you do that, it's important to craft a great offer. So in the next video, we'll talk about mistake number 2, making the wrong offer, and how this stops prospects dead in their tracks to join your list when you create your lead generation page. And we'll also cover the best type of offer your Albuquerque business can make to generate pre-qualified leads predictably. To gain access to the next video, go to www.abqmarketingvideos.com. Plus, we'll include 4 other bonus videos just for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video, and see you on the other side.